Google Gemini finally released the project feature we've all been asking for. Only this is way better than what we wanted. It's called Notebooks. And this name is very meaningful because you can sync with NotebookLM. That also means anything you do, anything you generate in NotebookLM will be brought into Google Gemini. And this is apparent because when you click on Notebooks in the left navigation, you'll see all the notebooks available from NotebookLM. When you click on any notebook, you'll have a dedicated workspace in Gemini. Click on the NotebookLM link in the top right corner and it'll bring you to that very notebook in NotebookLM, and click on the three dots in the top right corner. You can configure the notebook settings, enabling notebook memory and specifying system instructions for this notebook. If you click on the sources, you can add more files, add from Google Drive, websites, or copy text. You'll have the same Gemini capabilities to attach files, choose tools to generate media, use Canvas, deep research, and guided learning. There's the model selector, and when you chat, it'll bring up another chat frame where it'll generate the response. But when you go back to your notebook, it'll show the chat and any others you have for this notebook in this workspace. If you hover over a specific chat, you click on the three dots and you can move the chat to another notebook or remove it from this notebook or rename it or delete it. So this saves you from crowding your chats in the left navigation and makes things easier to find. Go over to NotebookLM. In the sources panel, you'll see a new source added from Gemini for the chats in that notebook workspace. If you click on the drop down, it'll show you all of your chats from that notebook workspace. Back in Gemini, if we click on new notebook in the left panel here, we can create a new notebook and we'll give it a name, add our sources, any other assets we want this notebook to reference, run deep research here in Gemini. And if we go back to NotebookLM, here we see our new notebook that's been created. If your notebook doesn't appear initially, just reload the page. This is a great update because not only does it give you a way to organize your chats, but if you're chatting with Gemini and you say, hey, I want to go over to NotebookLM, but instead of opening up a new tab and typing it in the URL bar, I'm just going to go over to the left panel here and click on my notebook and use the power of NotebookLM right in the same tab without navigating anywhere. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.